Hi, hello good people. How are you? Mko aje? Kuku inawapeleka aje? I hope you're doing well. I know you're doing well. My name is Simon Kairu. I am the producer here at Kairu TV Studios, and I take this earliest opportunity to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, a prosperous New Year 2022. Thank you for being part of Kairu TV as fans, as subscribers, and if you're not subscribed, go to our YouTube channel, Kairu TV, like every video there, subscribe, share those links during this festive season. Kila mtu aone, kila mtu abarikiwe. And as we begin 2022, may you still be a part of us. May we grow in every potential. We thank you so much. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.